Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's videos, instead I'm making a new recipe for food, so I'm gonna make a drink recipe. So this drink, it's called, in Bahasa, it's called soda gembira, or you can put it in English as a happy soda. This is very well known where I'm from, which is Surabaya, my hometown. And probably like in Java, but mostly on the east end. So for the ingredients, we have soda water. Make sure it's soda waters, not sparkling water. We have cocoa pandan syrup. We have condensed milk, sweet condensed milk. If you couldn't find this cocoa pandan syrup, you can change to grenadine syrup with sugar and ice. So let's make it. To make it, it's really simple. So you want 2 tablespoons sweet condensed milk, about 1 tablespoon cocoa pandan syrup, add some ice, and then just top it off with soda water. And then just stir gently. Alright guys, it's all done. Let's give it a try. Very refreshing, very yummy, and very simple to make. This is perfect if you have hot weather outside. This is very refreshing. It's very good, so give it a try. If you couldn't find or you don't know where to get the cocoa pandan syrup, you can use grenadine as substitute, but I will let you know this won't be as good as cocoa pandan syrup. If you do live in Canada, obviously you can try search it on Amazon to get the cocoa pandan syrup, or if you live in Montreal, there is some Asian store that have the cocoa pandan syrup. So now let's get to the substitute ingredients. So what you need: 2 tablespoons sweet condensed milk, about 2 tablespoons grenadine syrup, this is simple syrup, one by one. Take about 1 tablespoon of simple syrups. Now add some ice, and top it off with soda water. Let's mix it. We're gonna give it a try. It's still tasty, it's still delicious, but like I told you before, it's not gonna be as good as the cocoa pandan syrup. So that's all the video for today's. You guys definitely should try this recipe. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.